I'm Donald from ClickFlare, and today I will show you how to set up a tracking domain on ClickFlare using GoDaddy. Once you've bought your domain, let's go ahead under the domain section right here on GoDaddy. And now I will show you a cool hack how to get activated under 10 minutes, and it's completely free. We are going to transfer our domain from GoDaddy to Cloudflare using Cloudflare name servers, and that's really easy to do. So all you need to do is grab this domain first and go ahead and create a free account on Cloudflare. And after you do that, you will see this homepage right here, and you are going to be pasting your domain and give it a quick scan for DNS records. Click continue, and if you see these pricing plans right here, don't panic, scroll down, select the free option and continue. Now, as you can see, you have these records right here that you want to delete them because we are going to grab new records from ClickFlare. So type delete and confirm. Okay, now that are all deleted, we are going to be heading to ClickFlare under the domains right here, add a custom domain, select the root, which is going to be this one right here, and the DNS provider is going to be Cloudflare. Click save. Now, as you can see, we have these two simple steps which we are going to follow. Now go to Cloudflare, add a new record. First one is going to be CNAME. Now grab this value right here, paste it and click save. After that, we are going to add this one right here. It's a txt record, add new. Okay, and grab the last value and click save. Now first we want to continue to activation, and what we will do is that we will change the name servers of GoDaddy with Cloudflare ones. So as you can see, the third step right here, replace your current name servers with Cloudflare name servers. So I will copy this one and go to GoDaddy, manage DNS. As you can see, you have this tab right here, name servers, and change name servers. I'll use my own name server, add the first one, copy the second one and add it right here, and click save. Continue and verify. Once you switch your name servers, you'll be getting a 6-digit code on your email. You want to enter it here and click verify. Okay, now that it's done, go back to Cloudflare, and the last thing that we need to do is that the Cloudflare has assigned us a third step for SSL verification. So let's go back to ClickFlare. Click the info right here. As you can see, this third step was added, and we are going to be adding this also on our DNS records on Cloudflare. So let's go right here, DNS, and add a new record. Type txt. Let's grab those values real quick. Hit save. And that's it, guys. Really simple, and this will get your domain activated under 10 minutes and is completely free. Thanks for watching.